This is Jordan Backer reflecting on the questions for the Psychology Honours application. The first question relates to the challenges of conducting a research project. I anticipate this is going to involve a lot of reading and reading academic work, which also requires a certain kind of sophisticated vocabulary that will be specific to the areas I'm studying. And so I know from past experience that can be a bit of a grind at the start, but over time that will become a little bit easier. Also, another challenge I anticipate with research is data crunching. So, being willing to put in the time to do some of the more tedious work and having some discipline around that. I imagine the year will involve, in terms of time, a minimum of a full-time 40-hour work week. But I really want to get a grade score so that I could be eligible for a PhD program and at a great university. So I'm really want to put in more work so that I can get that sort of result. So I anticipate maybe more like a 50 or 60 work week. And then next, examples of problem solving and teamwork skills in academic settings. Well, I've helped design and run a housing, land and property rights training program for Bangladeshi climate activists, which I helped deliver in Kuna in Bangladesh. It was one of the first of its kind. It involved overcoming language barriers, working out what the needs of the people were, and designing a training program that, the format of instruction was relevant for the people and engaging for them. I was one of the co-editors for the Climate Change and Displacement Reader, which is used as in master's level law courses on this topic. And this involved doing a huge amount of research, becoming very familiar with the vocabulary in this academic setting, and finding the most cutting edge articles on each topic, and then getting permissions from each of the authors to include them in the publication. And there were many challenges in that. And finally, I've designed and ran wellbeing programs of some description in every school I've taught at so far, which is around 6 schools. And this has involved finding out what the needs are in the specific school, problem solving how to create a program that will meet those needs, and then working with the whole school community to kind of make that happen. Now, 3 skills that I found really important here is communication. So really listening to feedback and being articulate in communication, being kind and paying attention to relationships, and that helps the relationship flow and the teamwork to flow and the communication to deepen. And finally, being creative. So not always thinking linearly, sometimes taking a step back and going, well, if I was to be creative, or question my assumptions, what else is possible here? Thank you.